Hello everyone, hope you all are safe and doing well. In this video, I'll demonstrate on how to integrate or embed Power BI report or reports with SharePoint Online. In other words, you can show your Power BI reports into SharePoint portal itself, and this option will help your end users to use the same SharePoint portal to view their Power BI reports without going into separate Power BI site. So let's begin. So let me give you the overview of this whole video. Uh, First, I'll give a brief introduction about Power BI and SharePoint. Then I will explain the requirement for publishing Power BI report into SharePoint Online. Then we will publish a Power BI report into one workspace. Then we'll import that Power BI report into SharePoint Online. And finally, we'll see the customization options for Power BI reports in SharePoint Online itself. Now, by this time, we all know what is Power BI. It's a data analytics tools. This helps you to connect and visualize any kind of data using unified scalable platform for sales service and enterprise business intelligence that is easy to use and helps you to gain the deeper insight of your data. Similarly, SharePoint is another collaboration platform where you can share or manage your content, your knowledge, and application to empower your team, quickly find the information, and seamlessly collaborate across the organization. So, how about visualizing your all Power BI reports from the SharePoint itself without navigating into another site or app? So, there is some requirements for that one. So first thing is your online SharePoint Online need to be have a more 10 pages, and then you need to have a Power BI web part active for that site collection. By default, it's already active, but in some case maybe user deactivate from the admin, so it need to be active. There is a licensing requirement as well, so either you need to have a Power BI Pro or premium per user or Power BI premium capacity, and this Power BI license need to be activated from Power BI service by the users in order to embed those reports. Now the steps we need to publish this report. So obviously first your report need to be ready. So you can build the report using Power BI desktop, or you can build it in the Power BI online itself using Power BI service. Then you need to publish the Power BI report in a workspace. So I will give one suggestion. You need to create a separate workspace. Don't use the personal workspace. Then another thing, we can generate the URL from the Power BI portal for that report which we want to publish in SharePoint Online. And if we want to publish in the SharePoint Online, first we will log in into that site collection. Then we need to navigate the target page. Either you can use a existing page or you can create a new page. And then we will add a Power BI web part. And finally, we will add the report with the URL. So let's see one demo. So I'll share my another screen. This is my one of the SharePoint site. This I use for the development purpose or some kind of uh, POC. And this is my Power BI workspace. So I'll be publishing one report from my workspace, but I will suggest if you are using organization reports, better you create a separate workspace. So this is one report I have. Uh, So let me just before that I will show you one more thing, how to publish the report. So here is one option. Just if you have built your report in your Power BI desktop, you can upload it from here, or from there itself there is an option to publish. You can publish it. So let me now again open my IT spend analysis sample. This is a sample report. So there is two pages. There are two pages, and in one pages there are some filters. Now, in order to publish this, you need to click this file option, and there is an option called Embed Report and SharePoint. And since we are publishing into SharePoint Online, we need to go with this option. So once you click this, it will give you one URL. So this is the URL you need to publish it. Let me copy it. Now I will go into my SharePoint site. This is my site collection. I have already one IT spend analysis. So I will open this page, and we will just use this embed this URL into this page. So since my page is here, I'll edit the page, and then it's preparing for edit mode. Now I need to just add a web part. So now once you click the add item, you will get one icon Power BI. This is one web part available. So we will use this web part. So it is loading the web part. Now after you will get this web part, there is option to add the report. Now I will click this add the report. So the URL I copied from the Power BI, I'm going to paste it here. Once I'll paste, it will take some time to load that pages here. Then after that, you will be able to see the report. So now my report is loaded. So after that, I will just, without doing anything, I will simply publish it. So I'll close it and I'll publish it. So now my reports are published in SharePoint Online, and all the pages options are also available. So this is similarly the report we see in the Power website. So you will see same report in the SharePoint itself. So this is how we can publish, or we can embed our Power BI report into SharePoint Online. Now I will discuss some more thing about customization options. So there are some customization options available for Power BI report in the SharePoint itself. Those customization options means, let's say you have 10 reports or 10 pages in a single reports. So if you want, you can publish any one of that report and hide all the others reporting like page options. And another option is you can enable the filters or disable it. So again, we can go back to our the published report. Let me edit it again. Now I'll again go to this edit option. So there is few options. These are the customization options we have. So first thing, you can change the display ratio, and then navigation option. So I can just, if I turn it off, I'll not get the option to choose the page, and I can choose any of the one fixed page to publish in this report. So let's say I'm choosing the second one. And another option is I can allow to choose page filter or not. So this option also I have. Another one is action bar. So the action which you can do on the report is this action bar. Also you can hide it or you can show it. So this option is recently available in the SharePoint Online. If you see the previous version, it was not available. So these options like open navigation, these options will give me another options like if I want to use the navigation bar, like if I want to share it, export it, those options are there. So this also I can enable or disable it. So for the now, I'm just hiding, and I'm based on that, I'll just publish this report. Now you can see my report is coming. There is no option for me to choose any page. I don't have any in that app navigation or any other options are here. However, I enable the filter. The filters are available here. So this is how we can publish the report. So let me now conclude it. So in this whole video, we just get a slight introduction about what is SharePoint and what is Power BI, and then what is the requirement of publishing Power BI report into your SharePoint Online portal, and then we see steps to publish the Power BI report into SharePoint Online. And finally, we did a demo and saw the customization options. So this is how you can publish your Power BI report into SharePoint Online and use the customization option in the SharePoint portal itself without navigating into separate pages or separate site. So thank you all for watching this video. If you have any feedback or any queries, you can give in the comment. Thank you for watching this video.